Hello guys, today I'm going to prune these grapes. So they are nearly ripe, so I need to cut the leaves so the fruit will be exposed to the sun, so they will get more ripened. So let's do it guys. So let's cut the leaves. So let's cut. I cannot see. So there, like that. Okay guys, so let me cut all these leaves here and let's expose these grapes to the sun. There. Let's take all of that. There's lots of fruits. So I should have taken this off. I should have cut the leaves before they get black. They're getting blacker now. Now you can see them. They are not hiding anymore. I should have cut this. Oh. It is so satisfying doing this. It is so therapeutic. Cutting all these leaves seems like brutal to do, but it's a must because next year they will form new leaves again, and that makes the grapefruit, the grapevine healthy. This without. Okay. Oh my gosh, I got it guys. I didn't see. Look at that. I cut. Oh my gosh. Anyway, let's try this. if it's okay. So I have to make sure I'm not cutting the fruit again. There are lots of airplanes passing by in our area, so you can hear all these aviation noises. Now it's like a skeleton. I'm supposed to take off all these small one, guys, but I think I just leave that for the birds. They will eat it. They like the grapes. Look at that, guys. It's now skeleton. Oh dear. So look at that, guys. Look. So the grapes are now visible. I have to cut more and then I'll show you when it's finished. Oh wow, amazing. And look at these guys. These are uh, um, these are blackberries. Some are ready to pick. Look at these guys. So this is how it looks like now. That is our neighbor's cat. Hello. Yes. How are you, Lucky? How are you, Lucky? May I see? Where's your name? Your name is gone. You lost your name. I need to cut the leaves up there. It's too high. I need a ladder. I cannot reach it. Wow, look at these guys. It's amazing. Amazing. So beautiful.